Jammu is battling its worst monsoon fury in decades. Record-breaking rainfall, flash floods, and landslides have brought life to a halt across the region. Streets are submerged, rivers swollen, and landslides have choked key routes. The Jammu-Srinagar National Highway remains closed, leaving trucks stranded, while special trains have been rolled out from Jammu Tawi to ferry stranded pilgrims and tourists.
These devotees were very worried and there was panic among them because Jammu was reeling under intense flood conditions. These devotees were stranded and now Railways is running special trains for these devotees so that they can return to their homes.
हम लोग पूरे फैमिली से आए हैं, 25 तारीख से हैं और दर्शन भी नहीं मिला। हम लोग किसी तरह जा रहे हैं वापस, बिना दर्शन के जा रहे हैं और यहाँ पर रहने की व्यवस्था नहीं है, सब कुछ है। कोई
वापस घर जब जा रहे हैं मन में संतोष है, राहत है, घर वापस पहुँच पाएंगे।
हाँ तो लेकिन ये है कि माता जी का दर्शन नहीं हुआ।
The army, BSF and civil administration are working round the clock to pull Jammu out of its worst flood crisis in 40 years. In a daring humanitarian mission, a border security force helicopter evacuated 16 critical patients from the flood-hit and inaccessible terrain of Pargwal in Jammu district.
As an outreach program, outreach to the border population, हमने जो है इसको एग्जीक्यूट किया और हमारा जो है BSF का हेलीकॉप्टर जो है आज परगवाल क्षेत्र में आया था, जिसके अंदर जो है हमने 14 सिविलियंस को रेस्क्यू करके जम्मू क्षेत्र में इलाज के लिए भेजा।
The Army's Rising Star Corps 2 is in full action mode, deploying personnel across Jammu, Samba, Kathua, Pathankot and Gurdaspur. Essential supplies, medicines and even vital data connectivity are being restored on a war footing. With schools shut till August 30th, rescue and relief remain the top priority. The administration has urged residents to stay indoors, avoid venturing into vulnerable areas and follow official advisories as more rain is expected.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.